Hey everybody, hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here and my crafting buddy Jordan. You want to say hi?
Hi.
We are coming to you this afternoon. We're going to make a cute little fall stack pumpkin. Super easy. Hey, don't shake the table because it shakes the camera, bub. So this is super easy. I'm going to make it with odds and ends that I got out of my shop. You know, after every project we always have some extra wood left over. Well, we don't throw that away. We just put it kind of in a big bucket and we save it for things like this that we might need. So I have, I think, 11 scrap pieces of wood. I really didn't measure them when all I did was go out there and dig in the pile, and I kind of stacked them up how I wanted them to get a pumpkin shape. I did have to trim a couple of pieces. If you want the exact measurements, I will post those in the comments after this video. Yes, sir.
Sarah Card is watching.
Hey Sarah, how are you? Do you want to say hello? You keep track of the comments for Nana, okay? If you guys are watching live today, go ahead and just wave hi in the comments. Tell us where you're watching from. Make sure you sprinkle the video, send it out to your friends, family, whoever else you think might be interested in learning how to make a stacked pumpkin. Yes, sir.
I try to tell you, but you're very busy talking.
Okay. Well, we're going to show our friends how to make this craft. Did you have a question?
No.
Oh, wait, don't flip that over. That's the base.
Oh.
All right, we're going to start with the bottom. Today, like I said, we're just using, these are scraps actually of pallet wood that we had left over from previous projects. You could also use 2x4s for this project. If you do 2x4s, those are a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker and heavier. So you probably would want to use wood glue with that and a clamp. But today, because these are thin, not that heavy, we're going to use hot glue for this. Now, yes, sir.
Jennifer Kai.
That's Miss Jennifer, Mr. Harvey's wife. Remember? Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay. We have a serious case of the sillies this afternoon, if you haven't noticed, but we're having fun. Today was virtual day of school. Woohoo! So this is our art class. All right, hold on. I have my hot glue gun warming up, but I kind of made a mess. So,
Kind of.
real life. I'm gonna put that back on and let it warm up a little bit more. So these little scraps, Miss Jennifer said hi and blew you a kiss.
Hi, Jordan.
These little scraps of wood, all I did, this year on my mantle, I'm doing black and white and mustard yellow. And so I needed a white pumpkin, so hence this project. So all I did was whitewash it. I took a paintbrush, barely dipped it in the paint, and just brushed it like dry. So I didn't really use a lot of paint on it. So just whitewashed it. Of course, you could do whatever color you wanted, whatever your heart desires. So without further ado, we're gonna start hot gluing. Do you wanna try to do this?
No.
No?
Last time I had an encounter with hot glue, it did not end well.
It didn't end well. All right, so this is our bottom piece, and I'm just gonna put like 3 lines of hot glue. And you'll see the bottom is just a little smaller than the piece I put on top of it, and that's all I did. I kind of staggered them.
Ah.
Yeah, so we're just gonna,
This is going to be easy.
yeah, that's what I thought, Jordan. We like easy crafts. And of course, this one was fairly inexpensive. Yes, sir.
Next live video, we need to do one of my science experiments.
You want to do a science experiment? We can do that.
Okay.
We haven't done a science experiment in a while.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'm just going to keep going. Now, I had already had them kind of laid out to how I was going to put them on.
How come these are like
That
smaller?
one's a little off, but that's okay.
How come these are like smaller?
Because those are the top.
Oh.
And it's totally okay. When I got these, I'm going to need to put a new. I was afraid of that I was going to run out of glue. There we go. When I like I said, I didn't really measure. I just kind of eyeballed it when I was out in the shop putting these together. And
It worked well.
after I got the pieces I wanted, and I thought, hey, that looks like a pumpkin. Then I just palmed, with my hand sanded them very lightly. They're still, if you could see, very rough around the edges because I kind of wanted that rustic pumpkin. I mean, I wanted it to look rustic. Yes, sir.
Carissa Braun is watching, and if you look at it correctly, it looks like a bowl.
It does.
Yeah, it just looks like a wooden bowl.
It almost looks like a Minecraft shape, huh?
What?
It's kind of got that shape to it. Hi, Carissa.
And Janie Strasberg Judd
Janine.
is.
You're doing pretty good with the names, bub.
It's a lot of glue.
It is a lot of glue. We love hot glue, though. It gets the
Not
job
me.
done.
Not me.
Well, it's not fun if you burn yourself, is it?
No. I feel like I dipped my hand in the coldest
So you'll
lava.
kind of see where we're going with this. We started small, we staggered up. I think the two right here are the same length. It's kind of the middle of our pumpkin. Do you want to stick that other board on top?
Sure, and Jill Herring is watching.
Hey, Miss Jill.
Okay, so
Okay, wait, flip it this way
okay.
and just stick it.
I'm not the steady.
Right there.
I do not have the most steady hands in the world.
Well, no, I'll help you. That's awesome, dude. All right, so I think we have just a few more pieces,
Yep.
and we'll be done.
So
You
now,
put our oven
which day do you think we're going to do our science experiment?
on? Bub, I have no idea. Maybe we'll do a science experiment next Wednesday. You want to put this one on? It's gonna kind of go.
It has a handle, so it'll be easier.
Okay, just make it, yeah, right there. Press it down.
Eh.
Good job, dude.
How long does
All right.
hot glue take to dry?
Hot glue dries very quickly.
Oh, so the one.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, so the ones down here would already be dry by now.
They're pretty much dry. I mean, we're not gonna like try to bounce it or anything like that, but it's pretty much dry.
Look how much glue you've used.
I know.
No, look at the glue stick.
I see it.
Oh.
This little guy's cute. You could do this too, not only with the 2x4s. So when I was putting it together, I thought you could get like sticks out of your yard and maybe hot glue them, like stagger them, hot glue them on a canvas or any type of flat background that you have. That would be super cute. This is just what I had on hand. I wanted a white pumpkin and I didn't want to buy one. Although, I will tell you, I had to make a Hobby Lobby run today. It was really hard not to buy like all the pumpkins. They had some super cute stuff.
Okay, I'll put the cherry on top.
And it's on sale.
I'll put the cherry on top.
You will? Okay, Jordan's gonna put our stem, AKA our cherry, on the top. So we'll put, does that look big enough, bub?
Yeah, it actually does look like a vanilla ice cream scoop.
Kinda, huh? Now you're making me hungry. All right, stick that. Wait, is that the fat end? Is one end fatter than the other?
Yeah.
No? Okay.
Or a snowball.
Just hurry before it dries. And just smush it down and hold it there just a minute.
It looks like
Cute.
It looks like water.
It does kind of look like water, huh?
Let's like splash. It
All
actually
right.
looks like a snowball.
Here is our cute little pumpkin. I think I probably got off on like the fourth one. It's not as staggered and like not centered as it can be, but this is still stinking cute. Isn't that the cutest little pumpkin?
It actually looks like a
So-
snowball with a stick in it.
Well, yeah, it could be, but we're gonna pretend it's a pumpkin because
It's fall. We said it at the same time. Thanks.
We did. You owe me a Coke? All right, now that is super cute, but like I said, I am doing the banner that we made on our live a few weeks back. Thanks, Jill. Thank you. It had black and white material, mustard yellow, which is one of my favorite colors, and black polka dots, I think. And then we did some leaves. So I am gonna do black gingham ribbon I found today. Yes, sir.
Della Herring, so cute. Carol Singletary, hey. Carol Singletary, very cute.
Thanks, Miss Carol. Thanks, Jill. Jordan is my commentator.
Oh, look at this. The guy's got this did a 3-point
Okay.
shot.
Will you put that in the trash for Nana, please, sir?
Sure.
Awesome.
You're welcome. Oh, no, there's something printed here that you never got.
Oh, just leave that there, bub.
We should probably.
Nana can only do one project at a time.
I
Oh,
know.
this is not ribbon. I need ribbon, scissors.
This is not going to end well.
No, well, the ribbon scissors just cut material, not paper or anything else.
Huh.
All right, let me cut this straight. All right.
Now let's do thread around the pumpkin.
Well, we're gonna dovetail it. This is wired ribbon that I'm using. It was actually on sale too because it was with the fall stuff, so it was 40% off. So it was less than $3.
Although, too bad you couldn't use your coupon. It makes sense that you can't use your coupon on a sale.
Right, you can't use your Hobby Lobby coupon on a sale. Y'all, I'm training him up right. He knows all about the Hobby Lobby coupon, and when you can and can't use it. That's what I was trying to say.
It makes sense. I mean,
All right.
if something is on sale, why use your coupon?
I know, you use your coupon on stuff that's not on sale, right? All right, so all I did was just dovetail the end of that, and very simple. You just fold your ribbon in half, okay? And then I took my scissors and just snipped the end off at an angle, and so it makes that cute little tail on the end. And so now our glue is dry, so we're just going to...
It's not hot anymore.
Correct, it is not hot.
Okay.
We are just gonna twisty tie this
Twisty tie.
like so, and tighten it up. We'll put a little knot in it, and I may come back and put a button. I don't know yet. I didn't grab a button handy for the live, but we can kind of... It's a wired ribbon, so these are really cool because I didn't make a bow, but you can kind of twist it like so. I love wired ribbon because you can just shape it however you want it. So we're just going to do that for now. So isn't it cute? You like it, Bub? Does it look like a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay.
If a beaver.
Jordan gave it the vote of approval. So isn't this the cutest thing? So anyway, I hope this inspires you to do something fallish, even with what you have on hand. Yes, sir?
If a beaver somehow got this and found this, it would think that was an actual pumpkin. Then it would. Then even if it is wood, it would still chew through because.
Because it's a beaver, right?
Yep.
It would be like yummy for my tummy.
Hey, Tommy Knight Jackson.
Hey, Tommy Knight Jackson, how are you? All right, guys, I hope this inspires you to use what you have on hand to make something for your fall decor. I know it's early, but we're thinking all the fall vibes here. We're thinking cool weather. We're thinking hot cocoa and bonfires. What's your favorite part about fall?
Halloween.
Halloween. Why?
Huh?
Why Halloween?
Because you get to dress up in something.
You
And
get to dress up and eat what?
candy.
I-
There's already fall things in the stores and Halloween things and Christmas things and Thanksgiving
This is true,
things.
but we like to celebrate fall, so we start early. We're going to give fall and Thanksgiving their due before we head on to Christmas. So anyway, use what you have on hand. Your fall decor does not have to be crazy expensive to make your house beautiful. And did you have anything else to add?
No.
That's it.
No.
So make sure you sprinkle the video, click those 3 little dots, get notified, give us some likes and some hearts. We love you guys, and until we see you again, I think it's going to be with a science experiment next week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, happy crafting. Do you want to hit the button, Bub? The finish button?
Like,
Just hit finish.
hit the like. But